The world map on your screen, and as you all know, in the previous classes we have already studied about that in the world there are 7 continents, and in this video we will learn about the island. The name of the island is Greenland. So I show you in the map where is the location of the Greenland in the world map. So this is the earth, and when you see it here, this is a small piece of land that is called island, as Greenland is surrounded by water on 4 sides. That's why Greenland is known as island. An island is a piece of land which is surrounded by water on 4 sides. And as you see, there are 2 water bodies on your screen. Number one is Baffin Bay. Number one is Baffin Bay, then Denmark Strait, then Greenland Sea. And it is located in the Arctic Circle. So in this video we will learn about chapter number 6, Greenland. So shall we start our chapter? Okay. Chapter number 6, Land of Ice and Snow. And the objective of the chapters are learn about location, climate, vegetation and animal life. Human life. There are 2 frigid zones, one in each hemisphere. The North Pole is in the North Frigid Zone and the South Pole is in the South Frigid Zone. The North Frigid Zone lies between the Arctic Circle, that is 66.5 degree north, and North Pole 90 degree north, and the South Frigid Zone lies between the Antarctic Circle 66.5 degree and South Pole 90 degrees south. The diagram of the earth, and if you see the North Pole is about 90 degree, and this is Arctic Circle. This Arctic Circle is the coldest region because it does not get heat from the sun for the whole year. So it is about 66.5 degree north. Then Tropic of Cancer, that one is moderate. Equator is the hottest one because it is 0 degree. Then Tropic of Capricorn, it has moderate temperature. Then Antarctic Circle, the coldest area, 66.5 degrees south. As you see on the screen, there are 2 frigid zones on the earth. Number 1 is at the top, North Frigid Zone, and number 2 at the bottom, that is the South Frigid Zone. These are the 2 frigid zones in each hemisphere of the world. Now there are the North Fiji zone lies between the Arctic Circle, that is 66.5 degree north, and North Pole 90 degree north, And the south frigid zone lies between the Antarctic Circle, that is 66.5 degree, and south 90 degrees south. The picture on your screen is about the north frigid zone and the south frigid zone, which is lies in the Arctic and Antarctic Circle. Now, the Arctic Ocean is around the North Pole. It is surrounded by North America, Europe, and Asia. Antarctic is around the South Pole. This is the coldest region, and the human beings cannot live comfortably in the polar regions. This area remains under ice and snow almost throughout the year. Greenland, the largest island in the world, is situated in the North Polar region. Greenland is the largest island in the world which is situated in the North Polar region. Greenland is a self-governing province of Denmark state and its capital is Nuuk. The Nuuk is the capital of Greenland, which is earlier known as Gotthard. The first European who visited Greenland was an explorer whose name was Erik the Red. He gave the island its name, Greenland. Greenland is located in the east of the Canadian Arctic between the Arctic and Atlantic location. Greenland is a self-governing province of Denmark and its capital is Nuuk. Earlier known as Gotthard, the first European who visited Greenland was an explorer called Erik the Red. He gave the island its name. Greenland is located in east of the Canadian Arctic archipelago between the Arctic and Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean borders Greenland's southeast portion. The Greenland Sea is to the east. The Arctic Ocean is to the north and Baffin Bay is to the west. The nearest countries are Iceland and Canada. Polar region on your screen, and the area is covered with ice throughout there. It is coldest region in the world. And this is about the national park, Northeast Greenland National Park, where the animals who can survive only in cold region can live there. The capital of Greenland is Gotthard, and the neighboring countries are Iceland and Canada. And this map is about the Greenland. See, the Arctic Ocean is there in the Greenland, then Canada, Iceland. These are the neighboring countries. And the ocean name is Arctic Ocean. The next picture on your screen is about the iceberg. What is an iceberg? Iceberg is a Greenland is the world's largest island and is the largest dependent territory by area in the world. It also contains the world's largest national park, that is Northeast Greenland National Park. A major part of this island is under permanent ice and is located in the Arctic region. This is a part of the tundra region. As we reach near Greenland, we see big blocks of ice floating in water. These are known as the icebergs. Found in the Greenland, that is polar bear. These are the animals and they are live in Northeast Greenland National Park. So this is about Greenland. In the next class, we will continue with the same topic, same chapter and new topic. Here we complete part 1 of chapter number 6, Land of Ice and Snow, Greenland. And we will continue with the next topic in the next video. Till then, bye everyone. Thank you.